You pay your car insurance premiums every single month, don't you? You probably assume you've got full coverage and that you're totally good to go, no worries at all, right? But what if I told you that full coverage is often a myth? What if there are massive, hidden gaps in your policy that could leave you financially devastated after an accident? Let's first break down what full coverage usually implies. You've got liability, which is absolutely essential. This pays for damages you cause to other people and their property if you're at fault in an accident. Next up is collision, which covers the repair costs or replacement of your own car if it's damaged in a collision. This could be hitting another vehicle or an object, like a tree. And finally, comprehensive coverage. This steps in for non-collision events like theft, vandalism, fire, natural disasters like floods, or even if you hit an animal. So, liability, collision, and comprehensive. That sounds pretty complete, right? Like you're covered for everything? Well, it's not always that simple, and here's why. Gap number 1. Inadequate liability limits. Most states have minimum requirements for liability, but these are often woefully inadequate for any serious accident. Imagine causing a multi-car pileup with severe injuries and property damage. Your basic policy limit might only cover a fraction of the bills, leaving your personal assets, your house, your savings, your future earnings directly on the line. Gap 2. No uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. What happens if you're involved in an accident and the at-fault driver either has no insurance at all or simply not enough to cover your injuries or vehicle damage? Without UM/UIM, you could be stuck paying out-of-pocket for massive medical bills and vehicle repairs. This coverage is your critical protection against financially irresponsible drivers. Gap 3. No gap insurance for your new car. You know how cars lose a significant portion of their value the moment you drive them off the lot? This is called depreciation. If your brand new vehicle is totaled early on, your standard insurance might only pay its depreciated market value, which is often much less than what you still owe on your loan. Gap insurance bridges that exact difference. Gap 4. High deductibles. Yes, choosing a higher deductible can significantly lower your monthly premium. That's true. But here's the crucial question. Can you actually afford to pay $1,000, $2,000, or even $2,500 out of pocket if you suddenly need to file a claim? Your deductible should be an amount you can comfortably afford in an emergency. Gap 5. No personal injury protection or medical payments coverage. While your health insurance is vital, it might not cover all the costs related to a car accident. These crucial coverages pay for medical expenses for you and your passengers, regardless of who's at fault. They can also cover lost wages and rehabilitation, filling gaps your health plan might miss. Gap 6. No rental car reimbursement. Imagine your car is in the repair shop for weeks after a covered accident. How are you going to get to work or run errands? Without this add-on, you're footing the bill for a rental car out of your own pocket or relying on inconvenient alternatives. It's a small premium for a big convenience. Gap 7. Rideshare or delivery driving exclusions. If you're using your personal vehicle for commercial purposes like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or any other delivery service, your standard personal auto policy likely has a massive exclusion for these activities. If you get into an accident while working, your claim could be denied. You absolutely need specific rideshare insurance or a separate commercial policy to be truly covered during those work hours. Don't risk huge financial losses. Gap 8. Custom parts and equipment exclusions. If you've invested in aftermarket modifications, custom wheels, a high-end sound system, or special equipment in your vehicle, your standard policy might not cover their full value in case of damage or theft. You often need a specific endorsement or rider to ensure these costly additions are protected. Gap 9. Roadside assistance and towing. While not strictly coverage for damage, these add-ons can save you significantly in unexpected breakdowns, flat tires, or running out of gas. Many people find themselves stuck paying high out-of-pocket fees when they need a tow. Adding this to your policy is usually very affordable and offers great convenience. And finally, Gap 10, depreciation of new parts for older vehicles. Some policies might not cover the full cost of new replacement parts for an older vehicle after a repair using betterment clauses. They'll pay for the depreciated value of the old part. It's worth clarifying with your insurer how they handle replacement parts on older vehicles to avoid unexpected out-of-pocket expenses. So with all these potential gaps, how do you figure out what you actually need? It starts with understanding what factors influence your coverage needs.
First, you absolutely must read your existing policy. Pull out your declarations page. Understand what each coverage type means, what your limits are, and what your deductibles actually entail. Second, assess your current life situation. Has anything changed? New car, new driver, change in assets, move to a new area, or even a new job with a different commute. Your life changes, your insurance should too. Third, get multiple quotes. Please, don't just stick with one company. Shop around and get quotes from at least 3 to 5 different insurers. Look beyond just the lowest premium. Fourth, talk to an independent insurance agent. These professionals work with multiple companies and can offer unbiased advice, helping you compare options and identify those tricky gaps specific to your situation. And fifth, always ask about discounts. Many insurers offer incentives for safe driving, bundling policies like home and auto, having good grades if you have young drivers, and even anti-theft devices. They add up. It's about finding the sweet spot between comprehensive protection and a manageable premium. You deserve to feel truly secure on the road. Don't wait for an accident to discover you're seriously underinsured. Take control of your car insurance today. It's not just about paying the premium, it's about investing in the right protection for your peace of mind. Have you ever been caught by a car insurance gap? Share your experience, good or bad, in the comments below. And if this video helped you understand your policy better, hit that like button and subscribe for more essential financial tips. Please share this video with someone you care about who needs to hear this message, because everyone deserves to be truly covered on the road. Thanks for watching and drive safe.